the girls had a birthday, so we bought them PlayStation 5. And I thought to myself, okay, so what could we build that could basically prevent all the cables being all over the place? So we came up with this idea where we built a little compartment for the actual PlayStation, compartment for each of the two controllers, and a compartment for the projector that we bought, a cheap projector. On the back, we have all the cable management, and basically the connector for the actual controllers goes through the back to the actual PlayStation. Okay, and this presented two new problems. One, obviously the controllers can slide all over the place and fall out the back or the front. And two, the whole thing is super heavy for a 10-year-old to be schlepping around the house. So what we're going to do today is we're going to be adding wheels, and we're also going to be connecting this cute plastic trolley that's meant to be used for kindergarten and first, second grade kids schlepping their heavy bags to school and back.
אל תגזימי בהתלהבות, אבל... תנסי את זה. עכשיו כאילו תוציאי החוצה את זה, כן? ותתי את זה, ליאל, כמו שאת עושה עם התיק. קצת נגרר, יש שם...
A few improvements I would have made in hindsight. First of all, the wheels. I went for the rigid wheel. It's only 35mm high, and it kind of causes the bottom ridge of the kit to graze the floor while she's moving the pulley. So I definitely go for a high wheel next time. I'd also consider using a swivel wheel, not a rigid wheel like I use, just to give a bit more maneuverability. There's actually, in hindsight, there is no advantage to using the rigid wheel. Two more quick points. First of all, we have the projector remote control. We need to find a place to put this in to be part of the actual kit. And the remote control, the PlayStation controllers, well, we've added this stopper that could definitely prevent certain faults, but it won't prevent them all. It'll still be like a certain fault like this. The reason I did this was to enable the girls to just like take it out fast, but still it could be an issue with falling. I'm not too concerned about it because in most cases when this is moved, it's going to be tilted to the back, and in the back I use two separate tie wraps. So, and at the bottom we have the actual power supply or the power input, so it won't be able to fall. They won't be able to fall from here. And I didn't mention this at the beginning, but the projector is stuck to the actual kit, so no falling of that. Apart from that, I think detaching the actual console will be an issue. I mean, I don't think my girls will be able to do it, but I actually don't prepare. Hopefully the girls aren't going to be touching this at all. And if we ever need to take out the actual PlayStation, I'll do it myself. And that's about it.